Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to feature a Cherokee. It's a 2012 Forest River Cherokee. It's a 274 bunkhouse. See, it's got the electric tongue jack. It's got a toy lock. It's got a nice deep slide out. Water heater is gas and electric. It's a 6-gallon. Quick recovery. It's got park cable. Tires are going to be in decent shape, being a 2012. Outside shower. This is your big storage area underneath your bunk. Got a full 4-inch bumper and the carrying capacity of 250 pounds on the rear carrier. Spare tire. Double door. Electric awning. This unit also comes with electric stabilizing jacks. No more cranking them down. Outside stereo speakers, a place to mount your TV. Big grab handle going up. Us old folks love that. Got a walk around queen bed. Big storage on either side and above. Place for a TV in the bedroom. Comes with a TV. U-shaped dinette. Skylight, fiber shades, double door refrigerator by Dometic, nice big pantry, storage above, double sink, and ample storage on the counter. The bathroom has the neo-angle shower and the door to go outside, along with the very popular Fantastic fan. This unit sleeps 2 in the bunks, 2 in the U-shaped dinette, 2 small folks on the jackknife, and 2 in the master bedroom. Give us a call at Paul Sherry RVs. The number is on the screen, or email us for this very clean 2012 Forest River Cherokee, stock number 274BH.